What up guys, it is Mitchell. Today I want to talk about protecting your data. If you're new to the channel, I do videos on here reviewing and talking about tech and the gadgets I use to make videos while traveling abroad. So this is a Western Digital 4 terabyte conventional spinning hard drive. This is my third hard drive that I've had from Western Digital, and none of them have ever failed me. And they've all taken a fair amount of abuse in regards to just being rough in handling, but I've never dropped one of these hard drives. Before this, I had 4 terabytes on one of these drives, so basically completely filled up with all of the photos and videos I have taken and made since I have been living in Asia. And that hard drive hit the floor yesterday and I lost all of it. And let's just have a moment of silence for all of the lost photos and video. Now I know what you're saying. There are recovery services or there's places where I could send the drive to get fixed, but the reality of it is that 4 terabytes of information and physical damage to a hard drive is a lot to overcome. If I were to send it off to a service or find a service here in Vietnam that could do it, I'm looking at a couple $100 on average, most likely, to recover the damaged drive. 9 times out of 10, it requires them taking apart the drive, installing new parts on it, and then trying to offload the data and get as much footage or as much data back as they can. Now, because my drive was 4 terabytes and it was completely full, the likelihood of them recovering all of that is really, really slim. And to be completely frank right now, I would rather put that money into more trips around Vietnam so I can shoot new footage. It really bums me out that I'm not gonna have access to this footage and to these photos until I pony up the cash and have it examined and have it looked at and potentially repaired. And even then, there's no guarantee that it's gonna be salvageable. And so that's got me looking into backup services. The online backup cloud service that I went with, just for your information right now, it's called BackBlaze. They offer unlimited storage for $50 a year online, and they have been kind enough to give me an affiliate partnership. And so I want all of my subscribers, if you plan on taking photo or video at all seriously, not necessarily go with the service that I have an affiliate link for, but if you don't have at least 2 backups of your data, so the original plus a backup, I highly suggest looking into online cloud storage. I thought that me just being careful was enough to prevent me from losing the data. Unfortunately, while packing up a bag, I wasn't careful enough. So $50 a year I think is really reasonable for unlimited cloud storage per computer, and I'll leave a link to them down below. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and check out my review of them, I will post a link to it up here when that review goes live. Till next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.